Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video I'm going to teach you how to connect your Facebook page with your Instagram account. So for this purpose you have to go on Instagram, open it, select the account you want to connect with your Facebook page. For example, here I have account with name assignment help 0012. I want to link it with the Facebook page so that I felt no difficulty while posting, and if I do post on Facebook page, it may automatically go to your Instagram account with your one click. So click on this edit profile option. Just to click on this, you will dive into this section and go to this bottom side here and click on the page. So here it says connect or create a Facebook page. Click on continue. Now if you already made a Facebook page from your Facebook, then variety of Facebook pages that you have made will open in this form, and as already the above 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages are connected with Instagram one by one, now only assignment expert 0012, this is the Facebook page which is now free to link with the Instagram account. So I will click on this, click done, and click done. Click on done. So once you click on done, it will automatically make you able to connect your Facebook page and Instagram account. And very important thing is that only one Facebook page is maybe connected to one Instagram account. And for this purpose, for example, if you want to link your Instagram account, in the same time you have to open your Facebook page, so that once you open your Facebook, this is a Facebook page, and then come to your home screen and keep that Facebook page in this form here, and then in the same time you have to open Instagram and go for that. In this way, when both two, Facebook and Instagram, are open, then this process is possible to done, otherwise it will not be able to done. So you have to make it sure that at the same time both Facebook and Instagram are logged in, and then it is only possible, otherwise it will ask you to log in Facebook first and then come to the Instagram. Hope you find it helpful, inshallah. Follow for more subscribers, and if any query, comment us for further discussions. Thank you very much.